Did you know that your body has over 600 muscles and they all play a vital role in your overall fitness and well-being? Yes, from the smallest muscles in your ears to your large leg muscles, they all contribute to your health and fitness. This interconnected network is constantly at work even when you're at rest. You see, fitness isn't just about looking good or lifting heavy weights. It's the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, a shield against numerous health issues, and a key to longevity. Regular physical activity can help manage weight, strengthen bones, enhance mental health, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. And here's another interesting fact. Fitness isn't the exclusive domain of athletes or gym enthusiasts. It's for everyone. Whether you're a teenager or in your golden years, it's never too late to start. Now let's dive into the world of fitness and see how you can start your journey, no matter your fitness level. Fitness is not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's a combination of various elements. The first of these elements is cardiovascular health, commonly known as cardio. This is all about getting your heart rate up and your blood pumping. It's what makes you breathe harder and sweat. It could be running, swimming, cycling, or even dancing. The goal is to strengthen your heart and lungs, and it's a key part of any fitness journey. Next up is strength training. When we talk about strength training, we usually think of lifting weights, but it's not just about that. It's about using resistance to challenge your muscles, whether that resistance comes from a dumbbell, a resistance band, or your own body weight. Strength training helps build muscle, which not only makes you stronger, but can also boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories even when you're not working out. The third aspect of fitness is flexibility. Flexibility exercises help to stretch your muscles and can improve your range of motion. This is important for maintaining a good posture, reducing muscle soreness, and preventing injuries. Activities like yoga and Pilates are great for improving flexibility. Finally, we have balance exercises. Balance might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about fitness, but it's incredibly important. Having good balance can improve your coordination, keep you steady on your feet, and help prevent falls and injuries. Balance exercises can be as simple as standing on one leg or as complex as a series of yoga poses. Each of these components plays a crucial role in overall fitness. They work together to keep your body strong, flexible, and functioning at its best. They can also make your workouts more varied and interesting, so you're less likely to get bored and give up. Understanding these aspects can help you create a balanced fitness routine. So remember, fitness is not just about who can lift the heaviest or run the fastest. It's about creating a routine that incorporates all aspects of fitness and works for you. Starting a fitness journey might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be an exciting journey. Let's talk about the first step, which is setting realistic goals. Fitness is not about overnight transformations or achieving movie star abs in a fortnight. It's about setting achievable, measurable, and time-bound goals. Think along the lines of, I want to be able to run for 20 minutes without stopping within the next 3 months. This gives you a clear target to work towards and a timeline to achieve it. Next, start slow. If you've never run a mile in your life, don't expect to breeze through a marathon on your first try. Start with what you can manage. Maybe it's a brisk walk or a light jog. The key is to challenge yourself, but not to the point of injury or burnout. Be gentle with yourself and remember, every little step counts. As you get stronger and more comfortable, it's time to gradually increase the intensity. Maybe that means running a little faster, lifting a little heavier, or holding that plank a little longer. It's these small increments that, over time, lead to big changes. But let's not forget the magic ingredient: consistency. Fitness is a long-term commitment, not a seasonal hobby. It's about showing up for yourself day after day, whether you feel like it or not. Some days will be harder than others, but that's okay. What matters is that you keep going. You might not see results immediately, and that's okay too. Fitness is not just about the end result, but also about the journey. It's about building strength, resilience, and discipline. It's about learning to love and respect your body. It's about proving to yourself that you can do hard things. So take that first step. Set your goals. Start slow, increase gradually, and above all, stay consistent. It won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember, the key to a successful fitness journey is consistency and patience. While exercise plays a crucial role in fitness, nutrition cannot be overlooked. Now let's dive into the role nutrition plays in our fitness journey. Imagine your body as a machine. A machine requires the right kind of fuel to function optimally. Similarly, our bodies need a balanced diet to fuel our workouts and aid in recovery. This is where nutrition comes into play. Nutrition, in essence, is the science of providing the body with the nutrients it needs to be healthy and strong. First, let's talk about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. They're essential for muscle growth and repair. When we exercise, our muscles experience tiny tears. Proteins help repair these tears, allowing our muscles to grow stronger. So if you're lifting weights or doing high-intensity workouts, your protein intake becomes even more crucial. Next up, carbs or carbohydrates. Carbs are the body's go-to source for quick energy. When you're running, cycling, or doing any form of cardio, it's carbs that keep you going. But remember, not all carbs are created equal. Go for complex carbs like whole grains and vegetables, over simple carbs like sugar and refined grains for sustained energy. Lastly, let's not forget fats. Yes, fats. Contrary to popular belief, fats are not the enemy. In fact, healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, are essential for our bodies. They provide long-lasting energy, keep our hearts healthy, and even help with nutrient absorption. However, while understanding the role of proteins, carbs, and fats is essential, it's equally important to remember that balance is key. No single nutrient can fulfill all the body's needs. It's the combination of all three, along with vitamins and minerals, that makes a diet truly balanced. In conclusion, while exercise is integral to fitness, nutrition is its equally important counterpart. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. So, pay attention to what you're fueling your body with. Remember, a well-balanced diet is your best ally in your fitness journey. As a beginner, it's easy to make mistakes, but knowing them beforehand can save you a lot of trouble. One of the most common pitfalls in fitness is skipping the warm-up. When you're eager to get started, it's tempting to jump right into your workout. But warming up is crucial. It prepares your body for the exercise you're about to do by increasing your heart rate and circulation. This helps to loosen your joints and increase blood flow to your muscles, reducing the risk of injury and improving your performance. Another mistake beginners often make is doing too much too soon. It's natural to want to see results quickly, but overdoing it can lead to injuries that could sideline you for weeks or even months. Your body needs time to adapt to new exercises, so it's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. And speaking of marathons, training for one without a proper plan is another major fitness faux pas. It's important to have a structured training plan that gradually builds up your endurance and strength. Without it, you're likely to overtrain, which can lead to injuries, burnout, and even a decrease in performance. Rest is another essential component of fitness that is often overlooked. Your body needs time to recover after a workout. This is when the real magic happens. Your muscles repair and grow stronger during this time. By not giving your body enough rest, you're not only risking injury, but you're also missing out on the benefits of your hard work. Lastly, don't fall into the trap of sticking to the same routine for too long. Your body adapts to exercises, and over time, the same routine won't challenge your body the way it used to. Changing up your routine every few weeks can keep your workouts fresh and exciting, and ensure you continue to see progress. Avoiding these mistakes can help you make the most out of your workouts. Now that you have a basic understanding of fitness, it's time to take the first step. The road to fitness may seem daunting, but remember, every journey starts somewhere. It's all about taking that initial leap, making that commitment to yourself. Starting might mean lacing up your running shoes for the first time, or maybe it's picking up a dumbbell or even deciding to eat that apple instead of a candy bar. These small steps count. They are the building blocks of your fitness journey. Don't stress over the magnitude of the journey, rather, focus on the progress you're making. Every push-up, every step, every healthy choice is a victory. And these victories add up. They become your stepping stones towards a fitter, healthier you. Don't be discouraged by the hurdles you may face. They are there to make you stronger, to make you resilient. Embrace them, overcome them, and keep moving forward. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your fitness journey today.